guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new to my channel, then I would like if you will take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how to get a perfect and flawless base. So there are some points you need to remember to get a flawless base. So let's get started. First we will be starting with moisturizer, and I am using this Biotic moisturizer. This moisturizer is for all the skin types, so girls with dry skin, oily skin can use this moisturizer as well. Next step is primer. I will be using this Color Essence primer. I will apply this primer on my T-zone. If you are having a dry skin, then avoid using gel primer. Always use oil primer. Now the next step is to hide my dark circles and acne spots. So for hiding this, I will be using a color corrector, and this is orange corrector. And this is from Kryolan, and to apply this I will be using a flat brush. Now with the beauty blender, I will blend my corrector. The next step is foundation. For foundation, I will be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade 220. This is a mixing palette. What I will do is I will take 2 pumps of foundation in this palette. And with the help of the brush, this is a foundation brush, I will apply it on my face. Same beauty blender, I will blend my foundation. always make sure that the foundation is according to your skin tone. Never take one or two shades lighter than your skin tone. Now the next step is to pack the foundation and to avoid the crease. So to pack this foundation, I will be using a loose powder. It is from Kryolan, and the number is TL2. You can also use any other loose powder or any other compact also. I will be applying it with the powder brush. Now the next step is contouring. So for contouring, today I am using cream contour. So I am using this. This is NG1. This is from Kryolan, and I will apply it with the help of this angular brush. So with the help of the same beauty blender, I will blend this. After contouring, we will be doing blusher. For blusher, I am using a lipstick, and this is a very nude shade of lipstick. And again, with the beauty blender, we will blend this. Yes, always make sure that your highlighter, blusher and contour, these three things are always blended with each other. So now to fix the cream contour and cream blusher, I will be using a powder contour, and I am using this PAC Sculpt and Shine palette, and with the help of this angular brush I will fix this. So now the next is highlighter. For highlighting I will be using the same palette, this Sculpt and Shine, and I will be taking a fan brush to apply highlighter. Done with the highlighter, and now the last step is makeup fixer. For makeup fixer I will be using this PAC fixation. So guys, here is the final look, and I have done my eye makeup and lipstick off camera, as this video was about how to get a perfect and flawless base, and we are done with this. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to turn the grey button blue, subscribe to my channel, and most important thing, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you guys get notified whenever I come up with my next makeup video. And yes guys, do let me know in the comment section which makeup look you want to see in my next video. So till then, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.